If you're a homeowner in Ferndale, you may be considering window replacement as a potential home improvement project. While it might seem like a significant investment, replacing your old, inefficient windows can offer substantial benefits that far outweigh the initial cost. Whether your current windows are outdated, drafty, or no longer functioning properly, upgrading to new windows can enhance your home's comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value. Here's why window replacement in Ferndale is a smart investment for your home. Boosts energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is the potential for improved energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly single-pane models, are notorious for allowing drafts and heat loss, leading to higher energy bills. In Ferndale, where winters can be chilly and summers can get quite warm, having windows that properly insulate your home can make a huge difference. Modern windows are designed with energy-efficient features such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes, all of which help keep your home's temperature more stable year-round. By reducing the need for constant heating and cooling, you'll not only be more comfortable, but you'll also lower your utility bills. Over time, these savings can easily offset the cost of the window replacement itself. Increases home value. Window replacement is one of the best ways to increase your home's market value. Potential buyers often view new windows as a sign that the home has been well maintained, and they may appreciate the energy savings and reduced maintenance that come with modern windows. In fact, according to remodeling industry reports, window replacement projects can offer an impressive return on investment, ROI, with homeowners recouping a significant portion of their initial costs when selling the property. New windows also contribute to a more attractive home exterior, which can improve curb appeal and make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy your home more, replacing old windows is an upgrade that can pay off. Enhances comfort and reduces noise. Old windows can often leave you feeling cold in the winter and overheated in the summer due to their inability to properly insulate your home. With new, high-performance windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living environment, no matter the season. High-quality windows are designed to keep heat inside during the colder months and outside during the warmer months, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. In addition to better insulation, many modern windows come with soundproofing capabilities. If you live in a busy area of Ferndale, near traffic or other noise sources, soundproof windows can drastically reduce unwanted noise, creating a peaceful indoor environment. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or trying to concentrate on work, the quiet comfort of your home will become even more enjoyable. Improves safety and security. Old, deteriorating windows can pose safety hazards, such as broken locks, cracked glass, or faulty mechanisms that make it difficult to open or close windows. These issues not only compromise your home's security but also pose a potential risk to your family's safety in case of an emergency. Modern windows come equipped with advanced locking systems, stronger frames, and tempered glass options that enhance your home's security. Some windows also feature safety mechanisms that prevent windows from opening too wide, reducing the risk of accidents. If you're looking to safeguard your home while also enhancing its overall safety features, investing in window replacement is a smart choice. Reduces maintenance effort. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, resealing, and dealing with stuck or difficult to operate sashes. These ongoing maintenance tasks can be time-consuming and costly. On the other hand, modern windows are designed for durability and ease of maintenance. Many come with vinyl or fiberglass frames that require little more than occasional cleaning to keep them looking new. Moreover, new windows are designed to be more weather-resistant, reducing the need for repairs and saving you time and money in the long run. With less maintenance required, you'll have more time to enjoy the benefits of your upgraded windows without worrying about constant upkeep. Improves aesthetics and adds natural light. New windows can dramatically change the look and feel of your home, both inside and out. Whether you're upgrading to larger windows for more natural light or choosing a new style to match your home's aesthetic, window replacement allows you to refresh your home's appearance. In Ferndale, where architectural diversity is common, choosing the right windows to complement your home's design can enhance its visual appeal. Not only do new windows improve your home's exterior, but they also brighten up the interior by allowing more natural light to filter through. This can create a more inviting and vibrant living space, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Conclusion: window replacement in Ferndale is a smart investment for homeowners looking to enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, increase home value, and improve security. The benefits of new windows extend far beyond aesthetics. They offer practical advantages that make your home more energy efficient, secure, and low maintenance. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or are looking to boost its resale value, replacing old windows is a worthwhile investment that will pay dividends in the long run.